counter for the ones who will go to Terminal 1 Eva Air. Lagi po kami may special counter. Usually our departure is morning. Mga 3:45, dati po 4 a.m., ngayon 5, ganun. Very, very good time departure. Very, very quick lang po. Then, of course, our famous Korea. So, Jerson, di ba we have, Jerome, we have Korea, right? Out Korea. So, kindly check po, Jerome will send you po the departures from Cebu to Korea. Medyo konti lang naman po yung difference because sa Cebu po yung flight. For our Manila flight, so this one is the regular itinerary. Of course, we have also, exclusion is usually for the PT. For some departures, but for Danang, yun lang po ang difference. So, down payment for our Korea is 11,000 for out Manila. And then for out Cebu is 15,000. So, masabi ko nga po, sa Cebu, medyo mataas lang po ng konti since mahal po talaga yung sa Cebu po, going po. Ayun pala po. Okay, we have Air Asia and then we have Air Asia and Cebu Pacific. So sa Cebu Pacific po, usually po ang flight is 3:40 in the afternoon. And for Air Asia, meron po kaming 7 in the morning. So medyo mas maganda po yung sa Air Asia. And then we have in Cebu po, Asiana Airlines. So ito po yung ginagamit sa Cebu. Yan lang po yung aming ginagamit. Ang flight po is 3 p.m. in the afternoon. And then, this is usually our hotel. If ever po hindi po ito, most probably, same po. Same, 4-star, gano'n po. Nag-upgrade po kami ng hotel. Child rate is here. And then, visa for single is 2,000. Single individual. And then, for the group e-visa po, ito po, meron din po kaming group e-visa. I know, I think, mura din dito naman. So, for the group e-visa, we also cater. Pero pag gusto niyo po dun sa inyo na, wala po problema sa amin. Since napakadali lang din po ng group e-visa namin. Picture, yun lang po. And then, I think the travel agency will guarantee. So, yun po. Walang kahirap-hirap po sa group e-visa na.
So, anong kailangan sa group e-visa niyo? It's only the
Sure.
passport and the
Scan.
picture.
Ma'am, scan ulit. Scan. Lagi pong scan. At yung mga picture po dapat daw yung tenga, gano'n po. Last time po, binalik po sa akin yung namin, documents kasi po, hindi po nakalabas yung ko, tapos hindi po nakascan yung passport. Ang nasend po is yung picture ko lang. Bawal po yun, denied po kami. And then, we'll try to send again. Yun po. Dahil po medyo may po tayo, parang pinapayagan naman tayo na pag reapply. Usually po ang group e-visa is binibigay po 3 days to 5 days before. So nalalaman niyo po agad. Nalalaman niyo po kung mga ganun. Ang question lang po dito, kasi po pag nag-down na po kayo, tapos siyempre po sabihin, paano yung pag na-deny? Actually po, our down payment is not refundable. You have to understand also that we pay for the hotel, for the itinerary. So, lagi pong ganon, our down payment is not refundable. So, this one is our Deva Korea. And then for the winter, medyo mas mataas lang din po ng konti. Deva Korea for Cebu and for Manila. Very fast. So, ayan po yung mga itinerary for Korea. For the palace po, ang itinerary po dito, sometimes the passenger can choose not to go, not to wear. Kasi po, bago nyo po i-wear to, you will go to a street and then go to third floor and then magbibihis. And then you will walk sa medyo malayo sa palace. Yun po yung medyo dito. Ngayon, yung iba po, ayaw na nilang mag-wear. But for some, they want it. Siyempre, gusto nilang pumunta sa palace, mag-picture, di ba po? But we have another place where you can wear. Doon po sa may seaweed, ano po tawag? Yes, di ba po yun, naka-aircon. And doon po sa baba, pagka, meron po tayong seaweed school, parang doon na po kayo magpa-picture. Meron din pong place doon na bukang palace at doon po, naka-aircon pa kayo, pupwesto na lang kayo doon. Kasi po dito po, medyo mahaba po. Tatawid pa kayo sa kabilang kalsada, siguro mga mainit po, ang kapal po sa hotel. Tapos maglalakad po kayo, as in tatawid po kayo sa kalsada, literal na maraming sasakyan bago po kayo makarating sa dito sa palace. But for others who don't want to wear, they can still go inside since we paid already for your entrance. Kung gusto niyo na po sa gilid and ayaw niyo mainitan, you don't like to wear, yes, you can still go inside. Malinaw po yun. And then this one, the Petit France, the famous Petit France where Pinocchio is there, yung tallest, ano po niya, Pinocchio nandyan. And then, Starfield Library, K-pop Road, Seoul Tower, usually of course, Danami Island. Hindi mo yan mawawala sa itinerary. And then the Myeongdong Street, passengers will give a chance to experience the Myeongdong Street. Usually po ang Myeongdong ay open na po siya actually ng 11 a.m. But the best time to go in Myeongdong Street is 4 p.m. onwards. Kasi nandun po lahat lalabas po ng mga food.
Mga opa.
Okay, then.
Ano?
So Thailand, for the Bangkok Pattaya, for our Bangkok Legendary Thailand, we usually go to Bangkok Pattaya. So first day is usually Manila to Bangkok and then going to Pattaya already. Minsan po nagla-lunch po sa Bangkok and sometimes po pagdating. But our going to Bangkok Pattaya from Bangkok is 3 hours po. So usually pag dadating na po kayo ng Bangkok, medyo gutom na po yung mga pasahero. Dahil our flight is around 9 or 8 p.m. So pagdating po is alas 12 na. So magla-lunch po sila and then go straight to Bangkok, Pattaya. Doon po ang aming mga hotel. And then the itinerary goes. And then the last day is going back to Bangkok for the Platinum. Dito po sa Bangkok, Pattaya, they will experience, yung hotel po namin dito is from beachfront. So, ang kagandahan po dun sa hotel namin, when you go to the side of our hotel, you can, syempre po pag dumating kayo dun sa Bangkok, Pattaya, maano na po kayo kasi beachfront po. Medyo maganda po mag-breakfast doon kasi nga po beachfront. And then the swimming pool is there, outside, and then beach in front. And then sa gabi po, usually po yung mga pasahero, nagtatanong sila, pwede ba kami lumabas sa gabi? Yes! Pwede po. Kasi yung iba po pero gusto nila kuminom, diba po? The side of our hotel po is all tindahan. Tapos po, may mga small tindahan po doon na, meron din pong 24 hours, it's like Family Mart. You can buy something to drink. And then for the others po na nakatayo lang sa tindahan, ordinary tindahan lang po na nagbebenta ng alak. And then, they will set up a place for you. Kapag pumili po kayo ng alak doon, kunwari po yung husband and wife, they want to celebrate like buy 2 drinks, 2 bottles. Sasabihin lang po, sabihin nyo lang po, gusto kong uminom doon sa beach. Tapos mag-set up po sila ng lights, ng chairs. So yun po yung kagandahan doon sa San Morada. Usually po yung hotel po namin is San Morada, beachfront po siya. So, pwede po kayo mag-set up sa gabi, kunwari po friends. Our hotel is, the bar is open until 11 p.m. So, yung side po sa labas, bukas po hanggang umaga. So, they can enjoy the scenery of the beach. Kaso lang po, madilim na. Kaya medyo, ano na po yung next. So, Japan.